Have you ever walked into a home and just felt wowed? Most people think you need fancy furniture or expensive wallpaper to get that look. But here's a secret. You can get a designer home feel just by painting your interior doors. It costs less than £15, needs barely any paint, and makes a massive difference straight away. Imagine walking into your hallway and seeing a bold, fresh door color instead of the same old white. That one change can turn a tired room into something special. It draws your eye, adds interest, and completely changes the vibe. All without knocking down walls or splashing out on new furniture. Most people never think about their doors. They just leave them plain, or give them a quick gloss and forget about it. But a painted door is like a statement necklace. Simple, but it makes everything else shine. It's the quickest trick for a home that feels pulled together and full of style. So why not try it? You don't need to be a decorator, just a tin of paint, a brush, and a bit of nerve. Let's explore how this one change can give you that wow factor every time you come home. Painting a door might sound like a tiny job, but the effect is anything but small. You only need a little paint, usually less than half a tin for each door, and the whole process can be done in an afternoon. That's less time than it takes to binge watch your favorite telly or deep clean the oven. The best part? Unlike painting a whole wall, doors are quick to tackle. You don't need to move much furniture or deal with messy rollers. Just a brush, a bit of masking tape, and you're off. Even for beginners, it's hard to go wrong because doors have clear edges and are easy to reach. If you're new to DIY, this is the perfect starter project. It's not physically demanding, it doesn't need fancy skills or expensive tools. And if you change your mind, it's easy to repaint. For renters, it's a great way to make a space your own, and you can always paint it back to white before you move out. Small effort, big reward. That's the magic of painting a door. You'll be amazed at how it lifts your whole home, just by changing one thing. Now for the fun part, choosing your color. Not all shades are equal when it comes to making an impact. Some colors just work magic on doors, turning them into a real feature. Here are 5 favorites that designers and style lovers swear by. First, there's classic black. It's bold, timeless, and makes any room feel more expensive. Black doors add drama, especially against pale walls. Next up is forest green, a deep, rich color that feels cozy and lush, perfect for country cottages or modern homes alike. Navy blue is another winner. It's smart, calming, and looks great with both traditional and contemporary decor. Terracotta brings warmth and a hint of the Mediterranean, while dusty pink adds a soft, playful touch without being too sweet. These colors suit northern light and look good in every season. Think about the mood you want. Black for elegance, green for coziness, navy for calm, terracotta for warmth, or dusty pink for a bit of fun. Whatever you pick, you'll see your room in a whole new light. Before you pop open that paint tin, a little prep goes a long way. Start by taking the door off its hinges if you can. It's not essential, but it makes things easier. Remove handles and locks and put them somewhere safe. Then, give the door a gentle sand. This helps the paint stick better and smooths out any lumps or old drips. Next, wipe the door with a damp cloth to get rid of dust. If it's greasy or sticky, kitchen doors, we're looking at you. Use a bit of sugar soap or mild cleaner. Make sure it's bone dry before you start painting. If your door is glossy or stained, a quick coat of primer will help the new color go on evenly and last longer. Mask off any glass panels or edges you don't want to paint. Lay down an old sheet or newspaper underneath to catch drips. Choose a day when it's not too humid or freezing. Paint dries best at room temperature. Prep might sound boring, but it's the secret to a smooth, professional finish. It only takes half an hour, but it makes your new color look amazing. Now for the fun bit, painting. So you'll want to use a small, good quality brush for the edges and corners. And then, grab a mini foam roller for the big flat panels. Start with the tricky bits around the handle hole and edges, then just fill in the rest with long, smooth strokes. Oh, and don't overload your brush. Thin coats look much neater and, honestly, they dry quicker too. Usually, 2 coats are perfect, but have a quick look at the tin. Some paints actually cover in just 1. Make sure you let the first coat dry fully before adding the second. Open a window if you can, or use a fan for quicker drying. If you spot drips or streaks, don't panic. Just wait until it's dry, then gently sand the patch and touch up. Painting is very forgiving. Mistakes are easy to fix. Once you're happy with the color, put the handles back on and, well, admire your handiwork. That's it. With just a couple of hours' work, your door will look like it's had a professional makeover. Want your home to look like it belongs in a glossy magazine? Here's a little known trick. Paint all your interior doors the same color. It's what designers do to make houses feel more put together and expensive without spending a fortune. When every door matches, your eye just flows from room to room. It ties everything together, even if your walls or furniture are totally different in each space. Your home feels more thoughtful, less cluttered, and just smarter. It's a simple detail that honestly most people never even think of, but it makes a massive difference. This works especially well in British homes, where doors are often right in the middle of our living spaces. A row of matching doors, all painted black or navy, looks so chic and purposeful. It's a touch you'll notice every single day. So, if you want that designer feel, don't stop at one door. Pick your color and go for it throughout the house. It's funny. If you scroll through home blogs or Instagram, you hardly ever see painted doors. Walls get all the attention, but doors? Most people just forget you can even paint them. Yet, every time someone does, the compliments pour in. Wow, your house looks amazing. What's changed? Why is this trick so unknown? Maybe because it's so easy, or because we all grew up with boring white doors. Maybe people just don't realize how much it can do. But if you search online, you'll see loads of people hunting for ways to make their homes special on a budget. This is the answer they're missing. A painted door is a secret weapon. It's quick, cheap, and totally changes the feel of your home. Once you try it, you'll wonder why everyone else hasn't jumped on the trend. It's the little detail that makes guests stop and stare. So, let's spread the word. Door paint is the hidden hero of home style. Don't let yours stay boring. Let's talk money. You can pick up a decent tin of paint for under £15, often much less if you shop around or use tester pots. Add a brush and a mini roller, and you're still well under £20 for a total transformation. No builder, no mess, no weeks of chaos. Compared to new doors, which can cost hundreds, or fancy wallpaper, painting is a steal. Even if you paint every door in your house, it's still one of the cheapest upgrades you can do. And the impact? People will think you've splashed out on something much bigger. It's also perfect if you like changing your mind. You can repaint when you fancy a new look, or switch colors with the seasons. No stress, no big spend. If you want to love your home but keep your wallet happy, painting your doors is the answer. Try it once and you'll be hooked. So, what are you waiting for? Your next favorite room is just a paintbrush away. No matter your skill level, age, or budget, you can do this. It doesn't take long. It doesn't need fancy gear, just a bit of effort and a splash of color. Pick your favorite shade: bold black, calming navy, cozy green, warm terracotta, or playful pink. Gather your tools, get your prep done, and start painting. You'll see the change right before your eyes. That plain old door will become a feature you're proud of. Share your results with friends or post them online. You might even inspire someone else to give it a go. And every time you walk through your home, you'll feel a little burst of joy. That's what a designer home is really about, loving every corner without breaking the bank. So go on, paint your door, change your home, and discover the secret everyone's been missing. You won't regret it.